Hello everyone, me Dr. Argha Sarkar, Assistant Professor in Botany from Bangabasi College, Kolkata, West Bengal. And today I am here in respect to International Web Conference on Recent Advances in Science 2020, and thanks to the organizer for making this platform smooth for my presenter who is presenting the alarming trend of change of sea level posing threat to Lower Bengal Basin, India. So you have to know what is the sea level change, the main keyword of this topic. We all know that the sea level change is defined as a variation of the level of the sea compared to land triggered by either fluctuations of water volume in ocean basins or vertical movement of landmass. And how the sea level change is related to change of coastline, that is the most important key point of this study. And we have gone through this area, that is the Lower Bengal Basin, India, in Indian Sundarbans region for the first time, and it has been reported by us that the coastline shifting is totally related to the sea level change. As we all know, the coasts are dynamic systems which are constantly being altered, and the landforms are being created and being destroyed. And due to change in the sea level, seaward migration of mangrove ecosystem in Indian Sundarbans resulted in the change of coastline. So there are the area of present study. Taldi, Canning, Dokkin Harishpur, Kumirmari, these are the name of those zones on those the key study area. But along with this area, other 9 locations are here, with comparison to which we have reported the sea level change and also made the graph. But to know the sea level change, we have to know the main literally empirical word, that is the mean sea level, because with respect to the present mean sea level, we can measure how the sea level fluctuations can occur, whether it is being upwarded or it is being the downfall. So mean sea level is an average level of the surface of one or more of Earth's oceans from which heights such as elevation may be measured. So we can see in this trend of sea level change graph that since 17,000 years BP up to present, sea level fluctuation is being occurred. During 8,000 to 9,000 years BP, that is before present, the sea level fluctuation was very much high, that is called the transgression. And again the downfall has been occurred between 7,000 to 6,000 years, and this is called the regression. And again the transgression occurs, and this transgression we can see that 2 times transgression, 1 time regression. And now the sea level fluctuation is being happening in every year, and now it is causing the sea level to very much nearest to the present mean sea level, that is the 0 point in the axis. So from this graph we can see that the transgression, that is the coastline, is said to retreat, and the regression, that is the coastline, will advance, and this has been occurred rigorously in this present study site. And how the sea level change is related to the coastline, that is a big question, and that question has been solved by the presentation of this rate of sedimentation of specific locations. So here we can see the depositional time and the rate of sedimentation that can say how the sea level rise or sea level fall, whether whatever it may be, it is something sea level change. It is widely proportionally related to the coastline change. And why this coastline change is so much alarming? As because living beings are related to the coastline. That may be human beings, that may be any other faunal variations, and also the floristic vegetations. Here we can see the sea level has been sea level fluctuation has been causing the progradation of delta, and here we can see the coastline changes has been occurred from here to here, and the Sundarbans mangrove region is restricted only to this zone. So we can say that transgression, regression, and sea level fluctuation cause displacement of coastline that is directly related to siltation rate or rate of sedimentation. So we can say lastly that the progradation of delta is simply proportionate to the rate of sedimentation, which is really a threat to civilization. Here are some reports that a sea level change occurs, and several workers are working throughout the globe on this sea level change. We have also worked down, and this is our publication, Lower Bengal Basin, India. So I acknowledge the organizers and also BSIP, GSI for radiocarbon dating, and also the Forest Authority of Sundarbans, and heartfelt regards to my college authority. So thank you for your patient hearing.